So, OnePlus really thought they could keep the 13T under wraps. But nope. A slick new marketing image just leaked on Weibo, and it basically confirms a whole bunch of rumors we've been hearing lately. And yeah, from the looks of it, OnePlus has clearly been paying close attention to what Google and Apple have been doing lately, because the design of this phone feels like a blend of familiar elements with a fresh twist. Right off the bat, it's giving off some serious flagship vibes. The design is super clean, with two rear cameras stacked vertically in a sleek housing. Honestly, it kind of looks like the Pixel 9 Pro Fold and the iPhone 16 had a design baby, and I'm not mad at it. What's especially surprising is how subtle the camera bump is. You know how a lot of phones these days look like they're lugging around a backpack on the back? Not this one. It's smooth, minimal, and actually kind of refreshing. Now, the model shown in the leak comes in this deep, moody shade called Cloud Ink Black, and wow, it looks premium. But that's not all. OnePlus is apparently lining up two more color options: Morning Mist Gray and Heartbeat Pink. Yeah, Heartbeat Pink. It sounds like the name of a K-pop album, but honestly, I'm kind of here for it. It's bold, playful, and definitely stands out from the usual black and gray crowd. Moving to the front, the phone sports a 6.3-inch OLED panel with a 1.5K resolution, and thankfully, it's flat. No more of that overly curved edge nonsense that just makes holding your phone harder for no reason. It looks sharp, it's practical, and it's probably going to be a treat for everyday use and media consumption. And durability-wise, OnePlus isn't messing around this time. The 13T is said to come with IP68 and IP69 ratings, which means it should survive accidental splashes, dusty pockets, and even a full-on drop in the sink. Basically, your clumsiest moments are covered. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is rumored to be an absolute powerhouse. It's expected to run on Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. Translation: this thing is built for speed. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or just blazing through apps, this phone should keep up without breaking a sweat. And it's not just about raw power, the connectivity game is strong too. You're getting Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, an IR blaster. Yes, for those old-school remote control moments, and of course, NFC for your tap-to-pay needs. It's kind of impressive how fully loaded this phone is, even before we get to the battery. Speaking of which, this is where things really get interesting. The OnePlus 13T is packing a massive 6,100 mAh battery. That's a chunky battery, especially for a phone that weighs just 185 grams. And with 80W wired charging, you won't be stuck waiting around for hours just to top up. One small downside, though, there's still no word on wireless charging. And honestly, in 2025, that feels like a bit of a miss. But hey, you win some, you lose some. Now let's talk cameras, because OnePlus is clearly aiming high this time. The main shooter is a 50-megapixel Sony sensor, so you can expect sharp, detailed shots in all kinds of lighting. Alongside that, there's a 50-megapixel Samsung telephoto lens with 2x zoom, giving you just enough reach without sacrificing image quality. And for all the selfie lovers out there, the front camera is a crisp 32 megapixels, which should deliver those ultra-clear, social media-ready shots straight out of the box. On the audio side, the phone is rumored to feature stereo speakers, which is always a plus for anyone who watches videos or games without headphones. And to top it all off, the 13T will reportedly launch with Android 15, layered with OnePlus's own Oxygen OS, which usually means a clean, fast, and highly customizable user experience. As for the launch date, nothing official just yet, but if the rumors are on point, we could see the OnePlus 13T hit the market by the end of this month. And honestly, I'm hyped. Sleek design, top-tier specs, and a big battery in a lightweight body? This might be one of the most exciting phones of the year.